Wet the paper first. Now add grey color in outward motion. Now start drawing the first layer of this painting. Start drawing the second layer of this painting, and please wait before the first layer dries completely. Now I am trying to add little color in the background. This is actually very easy to draw and nothing but just adding one layer after another when the first layer dries. It looks very beautiful and it is very easy to draw. So I recommend it for beginners. It looks amazing. I hope you like this video. Please try this and tell me in my comment section below that how your output is, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am very new in this YouTube, and do follow my channel in Instagram also. Link is below, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hope you have a nice day.